In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Shopify to ChatGPT. By the end, you'll have your Shopify app linked inside ChatGPT, so you can start working more efficiently without jumping between tabs. Begin on your ChatGPT screen. Look to the bottom left and click your profile. This opens a small menu that includes your account options. From here, click Settings. The Settings window is where all your ChatGPT preferences live, and it's also where app connections are managed. Inside Settings, select the Apps section. This is the place where you can add, view, and manage integrations. Now, choose Explore Apps or Add More, depending on what you see. Both take you to the same destination, the app directory. The wording can vary slightly, but the idea is the same. You're heading to the catalog of available apps you can connect to ChatGPT. Once the app directory loads, you'll see a search field at the top. Click into that search box and type Shopify. Give it a moment to display results. You're looking for the official Shopify listing. When you see Shopify, click it, then click Connect. This begins the linking process. At this point, simply follow the on-screen instructions. Prompts can differ a bit depending on your account and whether you've connected Shopify before, but they're straightforward. You may be asked to sign into your Shopify account, select which store to connect if you manage more than one, and review permission requests. These permissions let ChatGPT interact with Shopify as designed by the app. Always read them so you're clear on what's being shared. If you're not already logged into Shopify, keep your store login ready so the process is quick. Remember, never paste passwords or private keys into a chat. Always use the secure sign-in prompts provided. When the prompts are complete, you'll return to ChatGPT with Shopify connected. If there are no additional instructions, you're done. The app handles the rest in the background, and you can start using it right away whenever a feature references Shopify. If you ever need to change or disconnect it later, you can come back to Settings, then Apps, and manage it from there. That's all it takes. Profile, Settings, Apps, Explore, or Add More, search Shopify, click Connect, and follow any prompts that appear. Keep an eye on confirmations so you know the connection is active. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the smoother workflow now that Shopify is connected to ChatGPT.